Hi, I'm here to talk to you about our brand new product, Vocal Alchemy Accelerated. We know there's a need for this product. We know a lot of you don't have the time to go to 5 years of singing lessons. You don't have the money to pay for 5 years of singing lessons. We know that you've got auditions coming up in 3 months' time, and what are you going to do about those vocally? So Vocal Alchemy Accelerated is an absolutely full-on 10 weeks that's made up of 2 fundamental components. The currently existing Vocal Alchemy Elite series online, which is being used currently in 8 countries around the world. We're very excited about that. So that's the first part of Vocal Alchemy Accelerated. And the second part of Vocal Alchemy Accelerated is a 3-hour masterclass each week for the 10 weeks. So that's a total of 30 hours with me in small groups of only 10. So Vocal Alchemy Accelerated is really a combination of the online product that we currently have on offer mixed with live masterclass. How am I going to use that with you? I'm going to insist that you fly through that online series as quickly as possible, maybe watching and working through 5 or 6 of those lessons every week in preparation for masterclass. And my aim is to get you through the entire course in about 6 weeks, so that the last 3 or 4 weeks of our time together in our weekly 3-hour masterclasses is all about you, what you've learnt, and how we take that to the limit. So that's my plan at this stage. As I said before, we've never offered this product. We know there's a need for it, and we're so confident that the combination of online work plus live workshop will work for you and address whatever strengths and weaknesses you want to focus on. We're so confident that we offer all of this with an absolutely no question money back, 100% money back guarantee. It's a mix of classical and contemporary vocal technique, which of course leads to the holy grail, especially for girls, which is mixed voice. All of that will be covered in the class. We've invented this product because we know there's a need for it, and what we want is we want you to be faster, stronger, higher, really by yesterday. What's included in your online subscription is, currently there are 32 lessons in the Elite series. You'll get those as part of Vocal Alchemy Accelerated. You'll also get complete access to, for a full 12 months, our brand new series, the 7-minute series. In the 7-minute series, there are currently 40 videos covering different topics. We'll be looking at a lot of that in live masterclasses, but you'll have access to those during the entire time, and for a further 9 months after the course. You'll have access to go back to those for reinforcement as well. So all up, there are 72 videos online you'll have access to for a full 12 months. Because the classes are small, we're not taking any more than 10 people. We guarantee you that in each of the 10-week masterclasses, you'll get with me individual attention. So that whatever your weaknesses, whatever you're thinking right now of, oh, I can't do X or I can't do Y, or I've always had trouble with this, we absolutely guarantee that at the end of the 10 weeks, you will never ever have that problem again. You'll be able to sing faster, stronger, higher, louder, whatever you want, we guarantee in that 10 weeks. And as I said before, it's a 100% money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose and you have everything to gain.